Alright, so got myself a new camera for the channel. We're going to try doing some 360 action. What can we say? A lot of guys are putting these things on cars. I just thought, since I have a bunch of GoPros and pretty much use a 10 and a 12. We're actually on a 10 right now. I bought this. This is the X4. They do have an X5 now. This stuff is pretty freaking costly. So this year we bought this for the channel. So let's do the unboxing of the Insta360 X4, and there is tons of videos out there that are probably better than this, but this is what's in the box. I wanted to open this thing up so that I could start playing with it, but I wanted to do it so everybody else could see it. I do have a car mount for this thing already. I am ready to go that way. What a box. Okay, so this is supposed to be, what is it, the starter bundle. I got a lens cover. They give you a battery. It's got a little slot. Okay, here's the, does this thing extend at all? Little selfie stick. I mean, it's pretty cool. Something to get started with. Here's the camera. It's actually smaller than what I thought it was going to be. That's for sure. Oh, look, we got 2 batteries. I didn't know if this came with 2 or if it only came with 1. Looks like the card slot's right there. I actually bought, hopefully these are the right ones, more batteries, but they look like they're wrong. Maybe not. Yep, they're the wrong ones. I bought a pack assuming that I had bought the right ones. I guess I bought batteries for a 5. So we got to get the right ones for this. All right, so here we go. Bunch of different stuff to read. I do have to put a scan disc card in here. What is this? Okay. Oh, where the plug is. I guess I did turn it on. Push the power button here. All right, so there we go. There's our setup. But I'm going to plug it in and let it charge. I'm going to figure out what we got to do for that. So it's oh, check that out. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, I didn't remove any of this stuff, but what do we got in here? Another little box. Okay. Looks like we have a USB to USB-C charge cord. One of these great things that you're not supposed to eat. I think this is the little storage pouch right here. Well, this would have been one that zipped shut. Looks like we got a sticker, little quick start guide. I'll put the memory card, lens alignment mark. Okay. And then contact for customer support. Safety guidelines. Thing about the battery. Lens cap. What is this? Gently clean surface of A4 with cloth before. Something with a sticker. It's kind of strange. Ah. Wonder if that's wonder if that's for the mic to cover it up or something there. Not sure. I'm not going to speculate. But that's pretty much what everything is here in the box. Nothing outside of that. The foam's in here pretty nice. This is actually boxed very nicely. They give you a bunch of stuff. Let's okay, slides in there really nice. Let's take the newness out of this, and let's remove our covers off of our lenses. Okay. Please use micros. All right. There we go. She is used for English. Next. All right, so I'm going to have to scan this on my phone and download the app. I know that this is the part where I wanted to get to. Found out now that I have the wrong batteries. I thought this was pretty freaking cool. I'm like, wow, that battery is really going to last a long time. So I guess I ended up ordering the wrong pack of batteries with a charger. So, well, I'm either stuck with them or I'm going to see if I can return those. Here's one more thing that I forgot to open. This is just a little dust cloth, I guess, that comes with it for the lens. Let's just take a look at that quick. Yep, just one of these little fancy Insta360s. All dusted off, alright? Alright, well, I mean, I guess the good thing with the cord that this uses is it's the same as the iPhone. So, I just want to see here. Let's set this next to, here's an 8. So here's our 360. Here's a GoPro 8. Alright, right here's a 12. So we can kind of see the differences in sizes. Alright, and this is an iPhone 15 Max. Here's a battery. Here's a battery for that. Here's a battery for that. And here's a battery for that. So we can at least just see, obviously we can't see a battery for the iPhone, but we can see what we have here, just variations, just something quick to check. I did a lot of filming with this 8. I got, we're on a 10 right now, so, I mean, just something real quick, side by side. With that, I'm just going to end the video for the Insta360. We're going to be making some video content for my channel with this camera and trying some new things. I really want to get into doing some more different video editing and spice this stuff up, because we really need to make this channel better. Alright, right there. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya. Alright. Well, trying this thing out inside the garage, seeing what shows up. Don't really have a tripod mount, but it's kind of nice just to try stuff out, walk through the garage, see how this 360 camera works. It's kind of weird. You don't really know where where you need to talk or look, because pretty much you can do all that later in the editing, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try to get some stuff done here, and we'll edit this out. See.